What up, what up? What's going on out there, YouTube? I'm fresh off work, man. Got here, had this package waiting on me, Smiley Face Box. You know what time it is from the look at it, from the title of the video. I'm excited for this one right here, though. New action camera right there, GoPro 7. Hero black, that is. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this thing. Let's go ahead and get set up, get ready to do this unboxing. I was getting to this thing right quick, man. Pretty sure y'all don't see 1,000 unboxing of these right here, so I'm trying to get this sweet. Quick and sweet, straight to the point. It's fresh out the package, haven't touched it yet. There she is right there. GoPro 7 black. As always, man, great packaging from GoPro. Looks nice, looks nice. You can see the one program all right there though. Man, I'm excited for this one right here. Let's go ahead and turn into this thing. Let's see what we got. Now, mostly, anybody that know me, watch my videos, you can probably already tell what type of videos I'm going to be doing with this right here. Mostly going to be vlogging, like motorcycle vlogging, and me on my dirt bike, and my quad, my four-wheeler, and my street bike. I will be doing some of my hunter vlogs, some of my bike videos with it too. But this is it right here, y'all. Let's take this thing off. If I know what I'm doing. Actual GoPro itself right here is exact. I think it's the exact same dimensions as the GoPro Hero 6 and the GoPro Hero 5. I like it, I like it. Nice finish on it. Looks good, looks slick, man. It got the 7 on the side of it now. I like it, I like it. Let's see what we got inside the box. Instructions, yeah. Get rid of this stuff. Oh, look like we got some 6. Say I won't put one of those on my dirt bike, y'all. Yeah, anybody that know, I'm redoing my dirt bike right now. It's pretty much basically finished, man. I just gotta do some touch-ups on it. That's the real instruction manual right here. That's something serious. I'm gonna read that at work one day when I'm bored. Compartment number 1, they gave us some attachments there. I already got like 1,000 of those from my old action cameras. Got the USB-C hookup right here. It's the charge camera up to a PC. And we have the battery. That's compartment number 1. Compartment number 2 is empty. Nothing for decoration. That's all you have in the box right there, everybody, ladies and gentlemen. Exclude the knife. And that's what you have right there. This right here is the unboxing. Right now I'm gonna do like my first impressions on it. I'm gonna set the camera up. Then I'm gonna do like a couple previews of some video. Just my first impressions on just for this video. I'll do a full review if y'all want me to later on down the road, maybe a week or two later after I actually use the camera. But right now I'm just gonna do unboxing and first impressions. Check, man. This is the first test right here, y'all. Care package came in today. This is a different day. This is the next day right here though. More stuff on GoPro here though, but this is an indoor test right here. Indoor light, indoor sound. Just some stuff for order, man, like some accessories, case. I'll open this stuff up later. I'll show it to you. Got me a new SD card, micro SD card, the 64 Extreme. Rock with that for a minute. And this right here is a waterproof case for the GoPro here. Got an outdoor shot right here, man. Y'all know I had to get the dirt bike. Been doing mad work to it. She ready though. I just had to start up. I'm gonna start up and ride it here in a minute. Do some footage of that too. This right here is my outdoor test. Got a GoPro on a selfie stick pretty much. Just walking around. All right, this is my helmet cam right here. Got the GoPro mounted on my dirt bike helmet. Just walking around right now. About to hop on the bike here in a minute. Let y'all see what it look like walking. Still at the same settings, man. 1080p, 60 frames a second. Wide angle, that is. It's gonna be my first ride on my dirt bike right here, man. I'm geeked. Y'all, got the GoPro here mounted inside my truck. Figure we take a little ride. I gotta go pick up my daughter anyways, but test out the sound quality here in the truck when we riding. Y'all may see me doing a lot of vlogs like this right here, man. Especially when I get out there, get my dirt bike out, start taking it out and about. You already know what time it is. I always got. I like to record like until I get to like the actual spot where I'm riding at. You know, talk. See what's going on out there, and also I'm gonna be having this mounted inside my car too, so I can do some more Honda vlogs. New one of them videos coming up here real soon, real soon. But yeah, just riding right now, man, testing out this new camera though. Seeing what it's like. My first impression so far though, man, I'm pretty impressed with it. I like it so far.
Was it a video?
That 4K resolution right here, y'all. 60 frames a second. Ooh. Alright, y'all. First impressions, man. For the most part, I like it. Good videos, good videos. This video right here is coming from the GoPro. This one right here is in 4K, 60 frames per second. My first impressions is good. I like it so far. For everything that I'm going to be using it for, I think it's going to work out pretty good. I can't wait to actually get out there. Can't wait for it to warm up a little bit, man. I had a nice warm day today. I just got the camera yesterday. Had a nice warm day today to go outside and try it out with. Hope y'all like the videos, man. More videos coming soon. If y'all want to see like a review video, just leave something down in the comments and I'll do a review on this product right here. The GoPro Hero 7. But other than that, though, I'm going to stick to my normal videos. Going to be a lot more dirt bike videos coming. Dirt bike, quad, off-road videos. A lot of those coming. Street bike, going to pull that bike out. And, of course, going to get back into some more Honda videos, Honda blogs, so everybody's been asking for. But as of right now, man, questions, comments, leave them below. Hit that like button if you haven't yet, and follow. It's been your host, man. I'm going to catch y'all on the next one. Go home.